Got my fancy headband on. These are actually supposed to be ears, but today I'm looking like a unicorn or a one-eared creature. I don't know. Before I get into all of my skincare stuff, I just want to thank Garnier for sponsoring this video because they have some really cool new products and I've been using them, loving them, and I'm excited to share them with you guys. First up, I have the Garnier Skin Active Deep Pore Exfoliating Scrub. Exfoliating your skin is important in general, but it also helps make your skin bright too. Gotta wet my face a little bit here. That's a lot. You can see the little scrubby bits. So I have really been liking this because it is Garnier's first naturally derived exfoliating scrub, and it also decongests your skin. It's a really gentle scrub and it's not overly abrasive. There's really just no glamorous way to be washing your face on camera. Feeling squeaky clean, and my skin feels super smooth too. Next up, face mist. This is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. This is made with rose water, it's instantly hydrating, and it leaves your skin feeling soothed and refreshed. So there's really no method to how I do this other than spraying it on my face. I always look a little bit scared putting on face mist, but it feels great and I'm loving it on the inside even if my face says otherwise. Personally, I like to be really generous with face mist, and the way that I approach skincare is on a daily basis. So I ask myself, what does my skin feel like today? What does it feel like it needs? And that's why my skincare routine can kind of change slightly from day to day, depending on where I am, what I'm doing, etc. This is also a product that allows for flexibility, so you can use this before putting on makeup or after putting on makeup, and you can also use this during the day as a little pick-me-up. Something else that I want to point out about these new Garnier products is the ingredient list that's on the back. So it lists the ingredients and then it tells you what they are in language that you can actually understand. For serum, I'm using Glossier Super Pure. This is something that I have used on pretty much a daily basis. I love it because it helps with redness, it also helps with breakouts, and it's super easy to use. The only issue that I have with it is the size, which I've talked about before. It is ½ an ounce, which is so tiny, so I just fly through this stuff, but it works really well, so that's why I keep using it. Niacinamide also helps with brightening your skin too. I've definitely noticed a difference after using this regularly. I'm gonna follow up with Bare Minerals Eternal Elixir. This is really cool because it is an oil and serum formula, so you can see the oil on top and then the serum underneath. And before you use this, you just want to give it a shake so everything mixes together. So I put several drops in the palm of my hand. This is a pretty thin consistency, so I like putting it in my hands first and then patting it on my face. This gives your skin such an amazing glow while also hydrating it in a very light way. So this oil does not feel heavy or greasy and really just settles into your skin nicely. You can already see the slight glow that's starting to happen. It's nothing crazy, but it's definitely there. I'm actually going to be using 2 moisturizers today, and the first one is Make Prem's Hydrate Me. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. It's super gentle and also very hydrating. So I'm just putting this on top of the oil. I love the consistency of this too. It just melts into your skin. The brightness and the glow just kind of builds as I use more products. They all just work together really, really well. For the second moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Blythe InBetween Instant Glowing Cream. This is exactly what you would imagine it to be, a cream that makes your skin glow. Now, when you put this on your face, it has really subtle light reflecting particles in it. And I love that because it doesn't look like shimmer on your skin or glitter. It just looks like a very natural glow, and it brightens your skin. It catches the light in a really beautiful way. and it's just awesome. I have worn this with makeup and without makeup, and it works really, really well. You can also totally use this on its own, but I just felt like I needed a little bit more hydration today. One of the most valuable things that I have learned is that our bodies are constantly in flux, and sticking to a rigid skincare routine just doesn't work for me because my skin wants different things on different days. So I really just try to listen to what it's telling me and then give it that. And today it was saying I need some more hydration, so please use another moisturizer. For eye cream, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Extra Eye Repair. And this has been one of my favorites for years, but I actually haven't used it in a while, so it's kind of exciting to be going back to something that I have loved for such a long time. You can see that this is a really thick eye cream, and that's how I like my eye creams to be. I like to put this on and just let it melt into my skin for a little bit. And then I pat it in. If you wear makeup, this is something that sits really nicely under makeup, but I also love using it when I'm not wearing makeup too. And this is great for day and night use. Last but not least, sunscreen. This is the Make Prem UV Defense Me Blue Ray Sun Gel. I used 2 pumps of this. So this is a light lotion consistency, and it's definitely pretty hydrating. It also adds a bit of glow to your face, but it doesn't feel super heavy. SPF is important to wear to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, but it also helps with brightening your skin too, because it's not going to be darkening any kind of hyperpigmentation that you might have. It's actually going to protect your skin from that. So you can see that my skin definitely has a glow to it, but it's nothing crazy, just the way that I like it. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready. Here we go. So this is normally the part where I would go through my makeup routine, but today I don't really feel like wearing that much makeup. So I'm gonna fill in my brows and maybe put on some mascara, but I'm gonna see how I feel once I get there. I'm gonna be using my Surrat brow pencil in Raven to fill in my brows. And you can't see this, but there's a mirror right here. I figure that's assumed, but just in case, mirror right in front of me. I'm not just like staring at the wall. Wearing makeup is also something that I take day to day, because there are days when I want to wear a full face of makeup, and then there are other days where I don't want to wear any makeup at all. And then there's days like today where maybe I just want to fill in my brows and maybe put on some mascara, and that's it. And I really try to listen to what I'm feeling on the inside and what it is that I really want that day. I'll ask myself things like, do I feel expected to wear makeup today, or is it something that I really want to do? And some days it's yes to the expectation, and then other days it's no, and I just want to wear makeup. And so I've really tried to lean in to the side of, yes, I want to wear makeup just because I want to, or I don't want to wear makeup just because that's what I want, and to move away from the expectations. This is Glossier Boy Brow, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this over the top. I was contemplating mascara, but if I'm being honest with myself, I don't want to wear mascara today. I am really curious about this new Covergirl mascara, but I'm going to try it on a different day. This is the Peacock Flare mascara in extreme black, and it's waterproof. So really looking forward to this, but just not today. Oh, that's where my Band-Aid went. I have a cut on my finger and my bandage fell off, and I was like, where did my bandage go? Right there. Gross. I'm waiting for my flat iron to heat up because I'm just gonna put some waves in my hair, but I have heat protectant in my hair right now, so I'm ready to go when my flat iron is ready. Oh, what's this? Piece of lint. Cool. I did a whole video on this, so if you want to see like the full tutorial, I will have that linked down below, but I'm just gonna kind of quickly go through this. Basically just rock the flat iron back and forth so it creates a wave like that instead of a curl wave. and it's just so easy to do. It's really quick, and recently I've been alternating the way that I start it. So for the first one, I bent it towards my head, and for this one, I'm gonna start it by bending it the other way. Easy peasy. Little bit of texturizing powder. This is the one from Kristen S. And I'm just gonna put some of it in my hand like that. And then a light spritz of hairspray. This one is Orbe Superfine. Here's my outfit. Hello. This is what I'm wearing today, just keeping it simple with a t-shirt and some jeans. Gotta say, I'm feeling pretty good about my choices today. I am really liking this outfit. And if you wanna know where everything is from, I will link it in the description for you guys. All right, that is going to be it for today. I am feeling really good about not wearing makeup, doing my hair, the outfit I chose today, and I really encourage you guys to just listen to what your body wants today. What is your skin saying to you? Do you want to wear makeup? Do you not want to wear makeup? What's going to make you feel comfortable in terms of your clothing? What's going to make you feel like yourself? I think when we take the time to ask ourselves these questions and we do what we want to do because it makes us feel like who we really are, instead of doing what we think the world is expecting us to do or expecting us to be, it brings us one step closer to having a deeper understanding of who we really are and the lives that we want to be living. I'm thinking about doing an entire video where I explore these ideas a little bit more, so let me know what you think about that, if that is something that you would like to see in the comments. LMK. I'll see you guys later. Bye.